Install baseboards after the full vinyl plank floor is laid and expansion gaps are managed. Once the vinyl planks are fully installed across the entire bathroom surface and any manufacturer recommended acclimation and adhesive or locking procedures are complete, remove all spacers and check that expansion gaps around the room perimeter are consistent and clear. Measure the gap height and, if needed, trim the bottom of the baseboard so it will sit flush without compressing the planks. Use a coping saw or a jam saw for curved cuts and a bathtub router for tight fittings. If the floor requires a perimeter trim like quarter round or a reducer, plan those pieces now so they coordinate with the baseboard height and do not pinch the flooring. When fastening baseboards, fasten to the wall studs or use adhesive where nailing is not possible, keeping nails above the subfloor so they do not hit the vinyl edge. Set nails slightly proud, then countersink and fill. Leave a small visible reveal or caulk joint at the floor line where the baseboard meets the vinyl to allow for movement and to create a watertight seal in wet areas. Use a flexible, paintable silicone or polyurethane caulk rated for wet environments. Finish by painting or sealing the baseboard after installation to prevent moisture ingress and to allow any paint touch-ups to be completed without disturbing the vinyl edge. Common mistakes include installing baseboards before the planks are fully completed, which can trap spacers and prevent proper expansion. Correct this by holding off until all planks and transitions are finished and spacers removed. Another frequent issue is cutting baseboards too tight to the floor, which can restrict vinyl movement and cause buckling. Avoid this by dry fitting and trimming gradually, so a slight gap remains for expansion and then covering that gap with caulk or quarter round. A third concern is nailing through the vinyl edge or into unsupported areas, which damages the flooring or creates weak attachment points. Solve this by fastening to studs or blocking, using adhesive where required, and keeping fasteners above the flooring edge so the vinyl is not penetrated. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and browse profiles and project examples related to flooring and trim work, so we make it easier to find people experienced with bathroom vinyl installations. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where users and pros talk through timing, product choices, and installation techniques.